Well, today is a big cleanup effort all across the state, as we've been talking about. Cities trying to get back to normal, and that includes places like Waterbury, where the city has already dealt with their own infrastructure challenges throughout the year. Fox 61's Celine Arif spoke with neighbors who say getting around safely is still a challenge.
I spent the day in Waterbury speaking with people here who tell me they're happy the main roads are cleared, but they say the neighborhood roads still need a lot of attention. Shovel, break, shovel. That's what Davon Murphy spent more than an hour doing, trying to rescue his car from under all this snow.
There's no way out of it, literally. Like, you just have to just be prepared to shovel it out.
He says it's not just this snowstorm he's recovering from, it's also the last snowstorm and all the times it snowed in between. It's a tough winter to be from Waterbury or work for the city.
They could do more, like more salt, better plowing, but for the most part, they do what they can. Waterbury's a lot of hills, so you got to be careful. It's a lot of hills.
He says all those hills aren't helping things this year. On top of worrying about driving in the snow, he says he's also worried about the city's infrastructure after the city saw a few major water main breaks in the last year.
Yeah, you definitely get worried because you don't know what could happen. I mean, pipes can freeze, water can stop again, you never know.
You just never know, and that's why the city launched an emergency and community notification system called Alert Waterbury this year. It can tell you about snow bans, water restrictions, and all kinds of other things. A few streets over, Anderson Savarez says he's also stuck clearing out not just his car, but his driveway too.
Just get ready, grab a shovel.
He shared this video with us from his neighborhood after the last snowstorm in January. If streets don't get plowed enough or at all, he says more car accidents could happen.
Every snow, the roads are all dirty, all messy, all full of snow, so it's hard to get through by car.
It's a lot of snow that hit the city all at once, and unfortunately, the cleanup process across the community won't happen overnight. Now, if you want to sign up for the new alert system in Waterbury, it's not too late, and there's a link on our website. In Waterbury, Celine Arif, Fox 61.